She'll come back. Oh, she likes her picture taken, doesn't she?
Can you tickle Gigi Bun? You're supposed to tickle her.
It's a good picture of your backside.
I'll help you.
You help me?
She likes to look at the picture. You gonna turn around and say cheese?
No, she doesn't want to.
No? No cheese? Little bit? Little cheese?
No.
Oh, little cheese. Up here and say cheese.
No, lazy.
What'd you put in that milkshake?
Didn't even finish it.
Bye-bye.